My dear students आप YouTube channel देख रहे हो और मैं हूं नमुल्ला खान. So we are going to continue direct and indirect narration series. So today third rule, change within other words. So how we will change other words while we are changing a direct statement, a direct speech into an indirect speech, or a direct narration into an indirect narration. I have already discussed first rule, change within pronoun. So then I have discussed change within tenses, and now I am going to discuss the third rule, change within other words. So while we are changing a direct statement into an indirect statement, and there is this within direct statement, so this into that, this will be changed into that, now will be changed into then, today will be changed into that day, tomorrow will be changed into the next day or the following day. Yesterday will be changed into the previous day. While we are changing a direct statement into an indirect statement, sir or madam, that will be changed into respectfully. So, when there is sir or madam words within direct statement and we are going to change this statement into an indirect one, so we will change these words into respectfully. And there may be some words, for example, please, are such like words, so they will be omitted. They will not be written there in indirect statement. While we are changing a direct statement into an indirect statement, with all other two rules, this rule will be applicable. So be in mind. And very important thing, that every kind of sentence will be changed into an assertive form. If there is interrogative form will be changed into assertive form. If there is imperative sentence in the direct statement, and we are changing it into an indirect statement, that imperative statement will be changed into an assertive form. So every kind of sentence, direct sentences contain five types, five kinds. The first kind, that is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences, that is started from the subject and there will be full stop at the end. Assertive sentence is very important. Be in mind. Assertive sentences will always be started from subject and there will be full stop at the end of this sentence. So punctuation mark, that is full stop. Starting point, that is subject. Next is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, that will be started from an auxiliary. From auxiliary, is, will, are, from interrogative word, WH word, what, which, why, how, that will be started from interrogative word or auxiliary word. And there will be sign of interrogation at the end. While we are changing interrogative sentence into an indirect form, that will be changed into assertive form. That will be started from the subject and there will be full stop at the end of this sentence. We have third kind, that is imperative. And imperative, imperative is these kind of sentences or those kinds of sentences which are started from verb. So there will be full stop at the end. That will not be started from the subject. There will be no subject in imperative sentence. For example, open the door, in which there is command, in which there is prohibition. That will be an imperative sentence. So that will be started from the subject and there will be full stop at the end of these sentences. This we will call imperative sentence. While we are changing an imperative sentence from direct towards indirect statement, that will be changed into assertive form. And there is optative sentence as well. There is exclamatory sentences as well. So all those five kinds of sentences will be changed into an assertive form while we are changing a direct statement into an indirect statement. So that is very important. Assertive sentence. So be in mind, recognition of assertive sentences is very important. Assertive sentences will always be started from the subject and there will be full stop at the end of this sentence. So this form is needed while we are changing a sentence from direct into an indirect statement. So, and the first kind is will assertive sentences. Now I am going towards how we will change an assertive sentence from direct into an indirect statement. For example, we have a sentence. He said to me, inverted commas begin, you have forgiven him today. So today, that is changed within other words. Just see, all changes within the rules that will be applicable on this sentence. First of all, said will be changed into told. So that is only in assertive form. So said is changed into told. He told me that told will not be followed by to, and said will always be followed by to. If said is there, remain there in an indirect statement as well. This is not any mistake. But if you are changing said into told, so be in mind there may not be to. To will not be inserted here. That will preposition will not be used here. So he told me that second personal pronoun. So second personal pronoun, will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. So that is a rule as well. Second personal pronoun will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. Here is an objective case. Me is an objective case. While we are changing it into indirect statement, me will be converted into I because I here is the place of subject and I is the subjective case. So you will be second personal will be changed into first personal because object is the first personal and what object? Object of the reporting speech. So that is first rule here is applied. Object second personal will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. Now we will give attention towards the tense because here is said past tense. If there is past tense in the reporting speech, the tense of the reported speech will be changed. So tense is present perfect because have is used here, so there is present perfect. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. So have into head, have into head. Have has been changed into head. Head for given. Third personal pronoun here. Him. Third personal will never change. Third personal will never change. For example, in place of third personal, here is me. First personal. Here is us. First personal. So that will be changed according to the subject. Then, if here is used in place of him, first personal pronoun. Second personal has already been used. But if there is third personal, that will never change. If it is second personal, that will first personal, sorry, that will be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. But here is third personal, it will not be changed. Him is here. If here is me, so it will be changed into him again. If it is us, it will be changed into him because subject of reporting speech is he. Subject of reporting speech is he. But here, in case of him, it will not be changed because it is third personal pronoun. So today, that will be changed into that day. So I have changed. He told me that I had forgiven him that day. So make practice on it. Make such like sentences from your own self. The first sentence is kind of sentence, assertive sentence, and then comment below if you are unable to change. If there is any problem, then inbox me and discuss this matter within comments. Ask any kind of question if you have in mind about assertive sentences. This is the reason that I have just changed one sentence, and I have remained all those for you to change, to make practice, and to determine about the assertive sentences. Well, if you are feeling any problem, then ask me, and I will discuss a lot of examples of assertive sentences, and we will make your practice as well. So inbox me if you are feeling any problem, and comment on the comment below if you have any kind of problem regarding assertive sentences. Thank you very much.